Welcome back to the Throttlestop right here in beautiful Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin. I got an amazing car to show you guys today. One of the finest custom builds we have ever seen, wrapped on this 1968 Dodge Dart two-door postcard. So let's start with the bodywork first on this thing. This thing is completely transformed from a stock 68 Dart. They did things like clean up all the emblems and all the trim. You're not gonna see the little round side marker lenses on a 68. There's not anything on the exterior of the car telling you what it is. So if you don't know that this is a Dodge Dart, you're just saying it's an old car. They did things like eliminated the cowl vents. They trimmed up the rain gutters. They eliminated the fuel door. So I guess if you want to put fuel in, you gotta go right through the trunk. But the bodywork on here is just perfect. After the bodywork, they wrapped it in this beautiful gold metallic paint that just is stunning to see in person. This is really one of the finest body and paint jobs I've ever seen. Okay, now onto the wheels and tires. So these are 18-inch tires on 18-inch steel rims. I love the look of the dog dish. Takes it back to the original 1968 look. However, you can't run a 14-inch tire or rim and tire on here because it's got 14-inch rotors. So the rotors are actually as big as the rims used to be. So again, beautiful look. I love the red line stripe. Just everything comes together and ties perfectly on the exterior of this car. Now onto this beautiful interior done by the Carriage House. I love some of the things that they did here. The Corbeau seats are super comfortable. I love the inserts. The plaid inserts really make it. Of course, they tied it right into the door panels. The back seat matches. Everything in here, the fit and finish is just excellent. Of course, love the pistol grip 5-speed shifter. But what really sets this thing apart is this beautiful Dakota digital dash. It just really looks awesome. Wow, okay, no small block under here. What we have is a 1968 date-coded 426 Hemi Elephant. What's so neat about this one, most 426 Hemis, as you guys will know, have two 4-barrels. This one has got a single 4-barrel intake, but it's fed by a Holley Terminator fuel injection system. So again, reliability, ease of startup, all those things that you get with a modern fuel injection, right here on this 1968 426 Hemi. Right when you're standing here and looking at everything, you notice how clean the firewall is and the fender liners. Everything's just perfect. All the holes have been filled in, cleaned up, looks great. You see the Wilwood master cylinder. Of course, you gotta keep this thing cool, so you got an oversized aluminum radiator, 2 electric fans, and even the front drive system with the serpentine belt, the vintage air conditioning to keep you cool while you're driving and cruising. All this wrapped it up in a beautiful black finish. All right, let me get this thing racked up so I can show you all the awesome mods that are done to the chassis. Let me just fire this thing up. All right, now that I got the car up on the lift, I gotta show you all the things that were done to make this thing awesome. All the factory stuff is gone. Okay, this has all been replaced. Let me start you up here with the aftermarket key member. That key member then supports things like the rack and pinion steering. That rack and pinion steering is gonna allow you to drive the car perfect, nice tight turns. Upper and lower tubular control arms. We also have adjustable coilovers. That adjustable coilovers is gonna allow you to set the ride height just perfect. The very end, we talked earlier about those 14-inch rotors. Well, now we can see them. Those also have Wilwood 6-piston disc brakes. A little further back, we have the TKX 5-speed, the headers, flex pipe, oxygen sensor, again for that fuel injection, make sure it runs clean. The custom 3-inch exhaust with a X pipe. Moving back to the Borla Pro XS mufflers, we have a narrowed Ford 9-inch. Gone are the leaf springs, and now we have a 4-link suspension, all tubular. with adjustable coilovers, again for that ride height. Everything under here is painted fresh, clean, brand new, just as you would expect for this type of a car. We have many other cars here as well, whether it's a muscle car, a late model performance vehicle, street rod. We have so many different options here. Make sure to visit throttlestop.com. Again, I'm Mike from the Throttlestop. We are driven by passion.